Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. This video is going to be very special for all Shiba Inu token holders. In this video I have good news for all Shiba Inu token holders. First of all, very congrats to all Shiba Inu token holders. Personally I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu tokens, so absolutely only look here. Only look here, the price is going upward minute by minute, and I'm very happy, I'm very enjoying this time. As you can see here, now the price is again start explosion, and I hope that the Shiba Inu is the next 100x coin friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe, please click the subscribe button and also like this video for my support. Thank you so much for subscribing AB Stake channel. Let's move on and let me show you the price chart of the Shiba Inu token. That's once again Shiba Inu token is going to hit a moon. Now the Shiba Inu token is a perfect time to buy Shiba Inu token. Absolutely, you get profit from the Shiba Inu token, not loss. That's my opinion for all of you. That's my suggestion for all of you to invest in the Shiba Inu token. Anyways friends, at this time the price of the Shiba Inu token is 0.00001646 USD dollar friends. And if you look the currently rank of the Shiba Inu token, so absolutely Shiba Inu token is the fastest cryptocurrencies, fastest token in the cryptocurrencies market, that they fastly moving up and very fastly. I can't expect this kind of change occur in the Shiba Inu token, but that's absolutely a surprise for all of us. That is why I'm holding a 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token in this time, because I want to get a high amount of profit from the Shiba Inu token. Absolutely, I'm sure, I believe that the Shiba Inu token make you millionaire in the last of 2021. Personally, my plan is that I'm going to hold my Shiba Inu token in the last of 2021. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about the Shiba Inu token? Please also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe AB Stake channel friends. As you can see here, one track is that if you look the trading volume, so again the trading volume is going increase 100%. The trading volume is going positive, so absolutely I'm very happy that the trading volume is again increased. The trading volume is increased, so same like that the price change is also increased. Now the price is going up, so I suggest for all of you to buy Shiba Inu token and don't sell it. It's time to only hold and hold. What's your opinion? What's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe AB Stake channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.